CTFL for Test Managers, Benefits and Insights. The CTFL certification exam covers a wide range of topics related to test management, including test planning, test strategy, test design, test execution, defect management, test automation, and more. Benefits of CTFL for Test Managers. Enhanced leadership skills. Test managers with CTFL certification have a thorough understanding of best practices in test management, team management, and quality assurance. They are equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to lead their teams effectively, establish clear objectives, and drive performance excellence. Improved communication and stakeholder management. Effective communication is crucial in test management, as it ensures that all stakeholders are informed and aligned throughout the testing process. CTFL certified test managers have the communication skills needed to interact with team members, developers, project managers, and customers effectively. Strong problem-solving and decision-making skills. Test managers often encounter complex challenges and critical decisions during the testing process. CTFL certification equips test managers with the problem-solving skills and analytical mindset needed to address issues efficiently and make informed decisions under pressure. Conclusion. In conclusion, CTFL certification is a valuable asset for test managers seeking to enhance their skills, advance their careers, and excel in the field of software testing.